Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be doing another autumn, this time Ikea come shop with me. I did sort of like a spring one at the start of the year, which I'll have linked down below, but I thought it was about time I did an up-to-date one so we can see what's new and exciting in Ikea. I always love wandering around Ikea, even if I'm not buying anything. It just kind of inspires me on how to decorate around the house and things like that, and they always have such lovely room setups. But I did pick up two things. There wasn't anything else that I needed. There was lots of things I like, but I don't need them. So stay to the end and I'll share with you what I picked up. But in the meantime, let's get right into the video and see what's new and current in Ikea. enjoyed the come shop with me part, so let's get right into what I picked up. Like I said, I only picked 2 things up. One thing was something that I'd been looking for a while, and another thing was more of an impulse buy. So the first thing is this grey plant pot. Now on first glance, when I first saw this, I actually thought this was ceramic, but it's not, it's plastic, which is even better because I want this for a palm outside. So if you've seen our garden tour / pergola tour, which I'll have linked down below if you haven't seen it, I have this really nice big palm that hopefully will grow really nice and tall, and I've been looking for a pot that was the right size and that looked really nice and also was the right price as well, but I hadn't seen anything that really caught my eye until I saw this. This is the Nippon plant pot, and I want to say this came in 3 sizes, and I think this was the medium size, but I'll have this pot linked down below. But I really like the size of it and also the light grey, and it's just a beautiful looking plant pot, so I think it will go really nice with the contrast of the green from the palm. And this was only £7 as well, so it was definitely the right price for what I needed it for. Then the other thing that I picked up, like I said before, was a bit of an impulse buy, but I don't usually buy things on impulse anymore. I try not to spend as much just on things that I don't generally need. I may like them, but I just don't need them. But this, I had been looking for something like this for ages, and then I saw this and I thought I had to have it. So it's this gorgeous basket with the pink, this light pink stripe around the bottom. Now they do this basket in the all natural with no colour, and then I saw this with the pink, but I don't think they do it in any other shades. However, this didn't have a price on it, and the original natural one with no colour is, I think, £14, so I did think that this would be a bit more, but I thought I'd just take it to the till and see, and if it was more than 14 then I probably wouldn't have got it. But this was actually only £8. I will put the exact price down below, but it was actually cheaper than the natural one, which I thought was a bit strange because this is a bit different because of the pink stripe around it. I just assumed it would be more expensive. So this is the Krallig, it's called, and it's the 25cm one. Actually, I forgot to tell you what size this pot was. It was 24 centimetres. So this basket is 25 centimetres, and I thought this would look really pretty in my office because I have the pink and also a bit of natural wood going on. I'm really into the natural elements in furniture at the moment. I just think they look really fresh and nice, especially with white walls. I thought I would probably put a plant in here, but these also look really nice with throws and pillows in and things like that. If you are due a trip to Ikea, then I would snap it up quick because there wasn't loads. There was only 1 box full of these. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed it and you want to see more Ikea come shop with me's. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I hope you all had a great week, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.